What's going on, guys? Hold on. What's going on, guys? I'm on my way to Devin's apartment. So I'm gonna knock on his door and possibly right here. But John got here. It's good.
Hello.
Alright, my friend's going to cry. My friend is going to karate for 30 minutes, so alright, say bye. Say bye to the viewers.
Hello.
Say bye.
You want to come?
No, I can't. I have to ask my mom, but she's not here.
I thought you had.
He is home.
Ask him.
Yeah. I'll go next time. Alright, I'll see you in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I'll probably be at Owen's.
Do you want to play in his house?
Yeah, playing some Jam Dash. Alright, I'll see you in 30 minutes. Alright, we're gonna go to Owen's apartment. Alright, we're gonna go to Owen's apartment, which is up there. Alright, I'm gonna knock on his door and I'll be to the viewers. This is his dog. So, this is Owen's dog, Pepper. He's quite nice, but when I first met his dog, he didn't like me.
Yeah,
now he does.
Yeah, I made him bleed.
Yeah, once. There was one little cut. I didn't wimp about it, but it did sting though.
Oh, dude, he's got some sharp teeth.
Excuse me. Alright, this is Owen's room. Holy fuck.
Oh,
Got a lot of goldfish.
I left the thing right here. I wonder where it went.
Where?
Devin's fucking, glow dart.
Oh.
Oh, I think I left it out there. Hold on.
Oh, and this is Owen's gaming setup. His PC. Yeah, this is his room. This is his gaming chair. Yeah, it's pretty cozy in here, my guys. It's pretty cozy in here, guys. Yo.
It is.
It is. I need to do a video of my gaming setup, but I'm gonna do yours first. We're gonna do a gaming vlog, maybe today or tomorrow. Okay, guys, we're gonna play some Jam Dash on Owen's gaming setup.
Yeah, I am, because you're trash.
I mean, my sister's trash and Devin's trash, but like, I'm still. I am
You're slightly better than trash.
I'm average.
No.
I'm an average Jam Dash gamer.
Not even average.
And I'm a small average gamer. Okay, we're gonna do dry out. It's easy. What happened to the sound? What happened to the sound? Oh. Alright, guys. What the Hold the camera. Because I cannot do this shit with one hand. I'm gonna handle it.
What? You suck, bitch.
I'm gonna got to 46%, but okay.
Playing time.
Alright. Guys, Owen is gonna play some Geometry Dash on what is this level?